I'm showing you how to upgrade your DNA machine and grow a garden. First, find the DNA machine right next to the dinosaur egg stall in the center of your play area. You'll see Barry the raptor standing there. He's your upgrade guy. Here's the deal. You need prehistoric plants to upgrade. Get these from ancient seed packs through crafting, quests, or harvesting prehistoric fruits. Plant like bone blossom and horned dino shrooms work perfectly. Walk up to Barry, press E to interact, then submit your prehistoric plants. There are 5 upgrade levels total, and each one needs different amounts of plant weight. Why do you need to upgrade? Because it's huge benefits. Your mutation wait time drops from 1 hour down to just 30 minutes at max level. Plus, you unlock primal eggs. These are way rarer than regular dinosaur eggs. Watch the blue progress bar fill up as you submit plans. Each upgrade visually changes the machine too, so you'll see it transform. Focus on getting ancient seed packs first. Complete the Golden Lab quest to age 10 for guaranteed ancient packs. The upgrade is totally worth it for serious players.